this as they hot. The good news mama, are they here for you? And another one don't land all the way from Mercy Divine Properties. Trust us now, say we dey run everything where they smooth, everything where they legit. And right about now, right about now, you see where I stand like this, you need get property here. As everybody just they run, they come this area like this, you supposed to take your own position. If you don't take your own position like this, you go carry last, and you don't need carry last. You see that big project where they do for River State called Ring Road. Mercy Divine Property as a real estate developer, we don't take our own position, so we won't cut your share give you. And if you won't get share for here, you need to own 3, 4, 5 or 10 plots or 20 plots. Quickly call the number 0903429651 to get your own plot here. We get Orange Estate and other estates and other layouts. So quickly call Madam Pekle on 09034296519 to come collect your own plot for here like this one would day along the Port Harcourt Ring Road. Take a look at the environment. It makes sense. How you see am? It makes sense now. It makes sense. You don't get what you want to. This road, they just did it 2 months ago. This solid road they see like this, just 2 months ago, they don't construct it. The money they don't give them. River State government don't pay everything. So quickly call, and the number again is 09034296519.